Hey, this is Heidi, and we're gonna take a look at Joe Name It. Let's see how you play this game and what's inside the box. So you open up the box, and it's gonna look very similar to this. We've got instructions on the top, cards on both sides, and a die right in the middle. Inside the box, you have 200 cards, and you need 2 or more players and 15 minutes to play this game. So what's going to happen is you're going to sit down, place the dice and the box right in the middle of the 2 players. The first person who collects 10 cards is the winner of the game. There are 2 different types of cards in the box. You have a Just Joe card, and then you have an Any Joe card. They are mixed together, so just be aware you could get one or the other. How you determine who goes first. Okay, so the player whose first name is closest alphabetically to Joe goes first. So that means if you have an H, like I do, I'm probably going to go last because you're going to go anything from J through the rest of the alphabet. So, for example, Mary. Mary's going to go first because you would have to go all the way back around to the beginning of the alphabet to get to Heidi. Okay, so Mary is going to draw a card. And this is an Any Joe card, okay? So for the instructions of an Any Joe card, it means that it's an all play round. So Mary or Heidi could possibly answer this card, okay? Not just Mary. Mary then rolls the dice, and it's 3. So how it's gonna work is name a 3-word song title. So whoever can name a 3-word song title first gets to keep this card, okay? So for example, Mary says, Sweet Home Alabama. Before Heidi says anything, Mary gets to keep this card. So she already has 1 card in her deck, and she only needs 9 more to win. So that's Mary's card. So now it's Heidi's turn to roll the dice, and she's going to draw a Just Joe card. So with a Just Joe card, Heidi is the only one who can answer the question, okay? It doesn't give Mary the opportunity to blurt out an answer. Now Heidi rolls the dice. 4. Name 4 minor characters on The Simpsons. Okay, so let's go Nelson, Patty, Selma, and Moe, the bartender. That leaves out the immediate family. Now, because Heidi answered that correctly, Heidi gets to keep 1 card in her pile, okay? So now she only has 9 more cards, just like Mary, to try to win the game. So the game keeps going. Keep in mind, it is possible that there is no correct answer for a given card or a dice combination. If this happens during any Joe round, the first person to shout, No Joe, wins the card. If it happens during a Just Joe round, you must say No Joe before the time is up to win the card. In either case, other players must agree that there is no answer. If someone can think of a correct answer, he or she wins the card. And that is how you play Joe Name It. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions down below or would like me to go over a game other than what I've already reviewed. Have a great one. Thanks for watching. Bye.